Hi, my name is Rohit. I'm a rising freshman at the Harker Upper School, and this is my main project, the 3D printed robotic hand. For my first milestone, I created a circuit with a flex sensor and a servo. And basically, what happens is whenever I bend the flex sensor, the servo spins. The way it works is that in my code, what I did is I used the serial monitor in Arduino to find the minimum and maximum values of when I bend the flex sensor, and then I replaced the basic values in the servo with those, so that way it mirrors the flex sensor. One of the biggest problems I had with this was that when I first tried it, I had a faulty breadboard, so it took me a long time to try and figure that out, like what was wrong. Another problem I had was that I'm not very experienced with coding Arduino, so I sort of had to self-teach myself until I figured out the basics of the language. For my second milestone, I'll be doing the same thing, but with 4 servos and flex sensors instead of just 1. Thank you.